Hi, my name is Ernilsø, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick demo of how to use the categorizing script. I have a dataset with a variable containing the recipe day, and the next 10 variables here are for one question about the knowledge of kitchen utilities vendors in Denmark. And it's the name of the shops selling kitchen utilities, and we have a single answer in each column here. I know sometimes you can have multiple answers in one column, but in this dataset we have a single answer in each column. And we are starting to categorize it. We are on the first step in the categorizing script, and the first step is just an intro telling you what's gonna happen on the next steps. But I leave that up to you to read, and I just click the next button here. And step 2, you have to select your recipe ID in your dataset, and that's for later merging of the datasets. This script generates a new dataset with your categorized variables, and then you can merge your new dataset into your original dataset. So down here you have a list of all the string variables in your dataset, and you can select them. I'm just gonna hold down the left button mouse here and drag the mouse down to select all the variables. When I've done that, you click the next, and if you have a predefined list of value labels, you can paste them in here, but for this demonstration we are going to create our value labels on the fly. We click next, and here we get a warning. It's because this categorizing script here uses an access database to do the categorizing, and by default Internet Explorer don't allow access to data sources across different domains. So I just changed the security settings, and now I get a warning here asking me if it's okay to use the access database. So I click OK, and then I click next. And you see to the right here we have a list of all the answers in our selected variables, and to the left we are going to create our value labels. You can see we have one here named AEG. It has we have 13 answers with this for this shop window. If you click here on this area, you can see down here we get the text pasted in here, and we can just click the add value label, and we have now defined a new value label for our categorizing. I want to put AEG here. I mark them, and then I can click the button beside AEG, and we will define a value label AEG for this one. And if you go down here, you can see down here we have 13 answers of Bosch. So we are creating a value label named Bosch2, and you can see there's some kind of different spelling here. but they all I know this because I know the shop, and all these are meant to be the same shop here. So we mark them all, and we are gonna put them in this value label we created here last, and you can see they disappear from our right panel over here. We go down to find a new value label. We can define them with it. Look for the answers. How many answers do our label here have? We have 44 here for Elgiganten, and okay, that must be the name. So we generate a new value label for this. Click the arrow. It's going to be pasted in here, and we can just click the add value button. And now we have a new value label up here, and all the different spelling of Elgiganten here we can define to this value label. You see we have a DER here, a tree. We would take this one, add it, DER, 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 and we put them in here, and there's one big one, Elgiganten 256, but we have defined one Elgiganten. It's just a different spelling here, but it's the same. So we gonna pick all the Elgigant, that's it. We put them in this Elgiganten label here, and fleck or 22. Okay, we use that too. And we're gonna take all fleck, and we put them in here. And so you move on, and until all your variables, all your answers are categorized. But you can also, we need at least 2 more value labels. So we need one for other, and you can just type it in here, and we need one for none, add value label. This one must be a none, don't know or none, so we put that in the none. And I'm not gonna categorize all the answers here. I'm just gonna select and put them into some of these we have defined here. But I think you will get the picture as we go along. You can select multiple answers here by marking the first one and holding down the shift key, and then click down here, and you see all the check boxes between are being marked as selected. We put in the other, and I'm just gonna, we have to be done here as quick as possible, so I just put them in some labels here don't fit. We put it in AG there. These are the last we have here now. We can put them in none. And now all our answers are categorized. And here you have your labels, pre-codes, and over here you can define new pre-codes. You can see other and none. Usually you want to categorize them, give them a different pre-code. Other you probably like to define as 98 and 99 for none. So we just type in a new precode and click the next, and now our new dataset is being generated, and it's just going to take a little time here. Here we are. Our new dataset is finished, and you can see we have them here, and it's all defined with our value labels. And you can now merge your new dataset with your original dataset, or you can simply just select the variables and copy them over to your original dataset. That's it. That's how easy it is to use the Categorize script. Thank you. Bye bye.